Hello, my friends. Hope you are doing fine. We will continue our lesson about the circulatory system. Let me remind you of the organs of the circulatory system: the blood, the heart, and the blood vessels. No doubt, your heart is the champion. It electrifies itself, it maintains your blood pressure, it keeps your blood moving, and it's got a nice shape. But the circulatory system is much, much more than just that pump. Because the heart also needs a network to actually send all that blood through, right? Cue the blood vessels. It's easy to think of them as tubes, but they are much, much more. They are active, dynamic organs, contracting, expanding, stretching, and delivering blood to every inch in your body. Another way to think about them: imagine that you bought a new car, but no roads to drive anywhere. No use, right? Blood vessels are everywhere. If all your blood vessels could be strung together in a single line, they would stretch out over 100,000 kilometers. That's like 2.5 times around the earth. And this extensive network begins and ends at the heart. By looking at this presentation, you can observe that some blood vessels carry the blood away from the heart, and some blood vessels carry the blood toward the heart. This is the basic concept for classify blood vessels. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, and veins carry blood toward the heart. Now that you have learned that arteries carry blood away from the heart and veins carry blood toward the heart, they both end up in tiny, tiny blood vessels called capillaries. These capillaries allow the circulation of blood and the exchanging of materials inside the organs and the tissues of your body. Let's learn more how are these three types of blood vessels differ in structure. As they differ in function, the blood vessels also differ in structure. When I say structure, we are going to look at two things: the walls of the blood vessels and their openings, which we also call lumen. The artery, as you can see in this document, has thick walls and narrow opening, while the veins have thin walls and wide opening. The capillaries, they have thin walls and thin opening, only one cell thick. Let's sum up the types of blood vessels, their structure, and their function. Type number 1, arteries. They have thick walls, narrow lumen, largest artery aorta. They carry blood from the heart to the organs, away from the heart. Second type, veins, thin walls, wide lumen or opening, largest vein, vena cava. They carry blood from the organs back to the heart. Third type, capillaries, tiny blood vessels inside the organs, very thin wall and small lumen. Circulate the blood inside the organs and tissues. For next time, eat less sugar, drink plenty of water, have a good night's sleep. I want to thank you for watching. Stay home and stay safe. See you soon.